Hey everyone, are you ready to power up? Today, we're going on a mission to become internet superheroes. We're going to learn all the secret moves to stay safe and smart while we explore the amazing online world. You know, the first step to being a hero is being ready for an adventure. So, let me ask you, are you ready to be an internet superhero? Awesome. Let's get started. Every hero has a mission, right? Well, ours is super important. It's all about learning how to protect ourselves from online tricks and dangers. We're going to learn to spot those digital traps so we can keep ourselves safe and just focus on all the fun stuff the internet has to offer. Okay, first things first. Let's talk about our very first superpower, crafting your own secret code. This is all about keeping your passwords a secret. Think of them like the keys to your own digital kingdom. A password is that secret key that unlocks all your favorite games, apps, and websites. I mean, you wouldn't just give your house key to a stranger, would you? Of course not. And you have to protect this secret key with everything you've got. So, how do you make a password that's super strong? Well, first, you gotta mix it up. Use big letters, little letters, numbers, and even symbols. Second, make it long. You should aim for at least 8 to 12 characters. And third, and this is a big one, keep it unique. That means using different passwords for different websites and apps. Here's a perfect example for you. Check this out. BlueDog2024. It's got everything. An uppercase letter, lowercase letters, a symbol, and numbers. That's a fantastic secret code. And here is the #1 rule for any superhero out there. Never, ever share your passwords with friends. Only your parents or a grown-up you really trust should know what they are. That's it. All right. Moving on to our next power, spotting digital traps. The internet can sometimes have some weird-looking links and pop-ups, but a superhero knows exactly how to avoid them. So, you gotta keep your eyes peeled for these common traps. You might see pop-ups promising you've won a prize, or maybe you'll get suspicious emails from people you don't know. And you definitely have to watch out for strange links that could have viruses. They're all designed to trick you. So what do? Simple. If something looks weird or maybe a little too good to be true, just close it and go ask a grown-up. They're like your superhero sidekick, and they can help you figure out what's what. Our next power is one of the most important ones, so listen up. It's guarding your private information. This is all about thinking before you share. I want you to remember this phrase: once online, always online. It's so true. Even if you delete a post or a picture, it can still exist somewhere on the internet, forever. So before you share anything at all, just stop for a second and think, would I want absolutely everyone to see this? If the answer is no, then it's probably best not to post it. You have to protect your secret identity. Never, ever share private info like your home address, your phone number, the name of your school, or even your birthday. This is the stuff that keeps you safe, and it has to be guarded. Now that you've got the moves, let's check out your superhero toolkit. And believe me, safe search engines are one of the best tools you can have in there. It's like this. Every superhero has special gadgets for their missions, and you have special tools to help you explore the internet safely. These search engines are awesome because they are designed just for you. Sites like Kiddle, KidRex, and Safe Search Kids, they automatically filter out anything that isn't appropriate, so you can search for stuff safely. And with that, your training is complete. You are now a smart, safe, and totally savvy Internet Explorer, ready for pretty much any digital adventure. You have the power to protect yourself and to be a really positive force online. So my question to you is, how will you be an internet hero today? Go explore and have fun.